turn. Nice into the doubles. Can he get into these doubles clean? Oh, and he hung up on the backside, but he's got a good turn going. Nice tight turn right here from Crooked Wolf. Time in the first lap, but he is closing here now. Got that thing wound up. Beautifully done, the 94 machine. Alex here is rolling in with a few cross. Up on a two-wheel and he saves it. Oh, but it will have cost him. That's Jack here now and a then he gets through to the double. Into the tabletop now, nice and smooth. Look at that stop. Here. 28 and change was what she's got. She's got to beat that by full 2 seconds. Now nice and smooth. This is where Mountain is great. Smooth through there because you make this turn. Oh, a little wide. Came through there so smooth, but slowing it up right there. Got to stay on the track. You know she sacrifices the penalty. If she comes off of there and that hesitation put her out of the game, and she's so smooth through the doubles and through the tabletop. Valerie Burgess. Nugent comes through there pretty nicely here through the start. Can he get smooth through the double? Nice. Can he kick it back down in? And Carroll's